It's a real Adidas.
Yeah. Welcome to XXL Media Live. Today, I took you to a certain beautiful place, and at the end of this video, I know you'll like this video, you'll love it. Welcome back to this channel. My name is William. For starters, if it is your first time to see this face, please kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Well, I'm in a small, beautiful and decorated area. This place is the Ugandan consulate of Bangkok. Now, this is the home for Ugandans who are living here in Thailand. For those of you who don't know maybe Thailand or what, Thailand is located in the Southeast Asia, and the capital is Bangkok. So a lot of Ugandans are in Thailand for work, holidays, etc. So today I traveled with this man you're seeing here. Let him introduce himself. You are welcome.
Greetings every Ugandan. My name is Ronald Nyakana, your chairperson. I'm here to represent you and to offer some presents to our honorable consulate in Bangkok.
All right. Where are the presents?
The presents, one of them is this.
Oh, wow. This is really big, yeah?
Our consulate.
Okay, for the consulate.
For the consulate. Then we also have a small one.
Yes.
For Mr. Tilachat.
Okay.
Then we also have this hat here for our secretary in our consulate, Miss Lee.
Wow, this is really beautiful.
On top of that, we also have some community jerseys. So this jersey is the latest jersey for our Uganda Cranes team in Thailand.
Wow.
As you can see, this is really how beautiful. The jersey looks like.
Wow, this is
really
our
nice. Jersey, the latest one. So we have 4 jerseys.
Yeah.
One is for Miss Nalingat, one is for Mr. Apapon.
Yeah.
Then we also have one for Mr. Tilachat.
Wow.
And one for Mr. Olan, our honorable consul.
Mr. Olan is the honorary consul, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is number 1.
Number 1.
Yes. Okay, so this is our new jersey as Ugandans in Thailand. And as you can see, fire.
Yeah. So this is your jersey?
This is my jersey.
Okay.
Okay, you can see my name. Nyakana RG.
Ronald Gavin. Oh wow, that's nice.
Yes.
The jersey looks so nice. Someone who is watching would love to know why all this.
Why all this?
Yeah.
So
why?
this is just something small. It looks big.
Yeah.
But it is something small to show our token of appreciation for what our honorable consul does for our community and the love and support he shows us. Whenever we come to him, he has been there for us on a number of occasions. I'm not going to mention them, but he has been there for us. So this is just something small to show him some love.
So you're giving back. Like
I'm not giving back.
You're appreciating.
I'm appreciating
wow.
because if it's giving back, I have no capacity to give back.
Yeah.
He has done a lot of
a
lot of things.
So you
for
can't
us.
pay back, but
just a small token of appreciation.
The spirit
as we
of
all know, we are in the spirit of Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So this is a season for giving. That is why.
Giving, forgiving, appreciating. So for starters, people would love to know how many times have you been here, and as a chairman, Ugandans in Thailand 2024, 2025, right?
Yes.
What should people expect from this office?
From this office,
Yeah.
actually, our people should expect a lot.
Mm.
Right now, we can see that we don't need to go back to Kenya.
Mm.
That
Or
is
Africa,
the time to
Uganda.
go to Africa just to verify our documents.
Mm.
For those of you who already have verified your documents,
Mm.
you have the stamp certified copy stamp from your universities. You already have the stamp from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You can bring your documents here, they will be certified. But of
Wow.
course, with the certification letter from our community signed by me, that is after paying the 500 baht community subscription.
Wow.
So that way your documents will be certified. This office certifies
Free of charge.
free of charge. You don't have to pay anything, free of charge.
Okay. What-
Then we also have other things such as letters
Mm.
for those ones who want to renew 1 month non-leave visas.
Yeah.
They can provide you with the letter. You
This
take
office can provide you with a letter.
with the letter. You go to immigration.
Oh.
Then immigration can give you 1 month. That is if at all you've been on a non-leave visa.
Oh, that's so good. How about a tourist?
For a tourist, actually for a tourist, originally we are supposed to receive 7 days, but currently right now we got some news which we are yet to investigate more.
Yeah.
If at all you have the right documents, okay, you've got a job, you want to renew your visa, but the company that hired you cannot process the documents within the given time,
Yeah.
our embassy in Malaysia can offer you a letter that can give you 1 month as you're waiting for the documents.
That's so nice, Mr. Nyakana.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much for this love, for your time. And still, I want to pose a question.
Yes, please.
You've told us that you have a committee, Ugandans in Thailand committee.
Yes.
Is this part of like your committee? Was it like a suggestion, or it is just a personal thing?
All this, there is nothing that I do alone. I want you to know that I have a team of intellectuals that I work with.
Yeah.
So everything that I bring up, I can bring up something, but of course I have a team.
Yeah.
A wonderful team of very intelligent gentlemen and ladies. So they are the ones that engineered this, of course with me
Yeah.
on top.
Okay, that's so good.
We have a lot of stuff. You can see this is the Thai flag.
Yes.
This is something to honor our
Yeah.
Uganda consulate.
Would you please
in
hold
Bangkok.
it and read for us, maybe?
So
if you
this
don't
one
mind?
was
Yeah.
from us to Ugandans in Thailand. This
Okay.
is the cabinet that served 2022-2023.
Yeah,
So
can
this
see.
was their token of
Guys,
appreciation.
if you look here critically, you can see. Oh, you can't see it. I don't know how. Okay, you see Ugandans in Thailand 2022-2023. I think I was part of this. Yeah. Congratulations.
So we have quite a number of things.
Yeah.
We have some magazines. We have some of these promoting our tourism. Uganda is truly the pearl of Africa.
Sure.
Indeed we are. We have oil and gas in Uganda. The Renzori Mountains
The
are
chimpanzees.
all promoted here. The chimpanzees. Visit Uganda. For those of you who have never visited Uganda, please visit Uganda. It has
Okay.
a lot of amazing things. The pearl of Africa, you can see.
The motherland.
Right, so we have
Okay.
a lot of things. This is our coffee. This is Kanyonyi coffee,
Yeah.
all the way from Uganda. For those of you that have never tasted coffee from Uganda, I want you to know that we have the best coffee.
Yeah.
The best coffee
Sure.
in Eastern Africa. So this is also part of Africa. Greetings from Uganda, and this is our Uganda Cranes Thailand football team.
Yeah.
It's all here.
Would you please maybe hold it if you don't mind? Be careful. Okay.
So that is,
Guys, sorry about the phone. Sorry. Yes.
This is a token of appreciation still to our honorable consulate.
Wow, this is real nice. So I can see the team members, they really look smart in the new jersey that you've just unveiled.
Yes.
And this is real nice because it keeps pushing us to other levels.
Yes.
Wow, this is great. Thank you
So
for
of
the
course we also have one of
favorite drinks.
favorite
what is that?
drinks from Uganda.
Wow,
For those of you that have never tasted this is called Uganda Warachi.
Uganda wallet.
The best gin.
Wow, wow.
If
wow.
I can say the best gin in Africa.
The best gin in Africa.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. So, guys, the moment you visit this place, you feel like you're at home.
Of course.
Yeah.
This is our home.
Good.
It's our home.
So, we also have this here.
So this is Mr. Tilachat. You can see they are representing our Ugandan culture.
Yes.
You can see our flags.
Wow, the beauty.
Recording one more time. One. Sorry.
You can do. Very good and beautiful.
Miss, which ones?
Yes, done it.
One. Number one. Okay.
Okay, front. This is a real Adidas.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, thank you very much. It's very, very nice.
Okay. One, two. One, two.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Missy.
Yeah, one message just to.
Dear Ugandans, as you all know, right now we are approaching Christmas season. I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So as we prepare to enter this wonderful season, I would like you to all remember the goals that unite us. That is kindness, togetherness, and supporting each other.
Yes.
So I encourage you all to please check on one another. Okay, stay connected. Try to check on your friends. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas.
Yes.
I also wish you all a prosperous New Year 2024.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time. We appreciate your services.
Thank you.
Guys, my name is William, and of course, when the big boss has wrapped everything, has said everything, what should I say? Let me just remind you one or two things. I'm the publicist of the Ugandans in Thailand, and I've served for quite a number of years. And, I'm always the guy behind some content, and I appreciate your time. So, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And guys, don't forget to stay calm, stay friendly, and always check on one another. See you in the next video.